The Hope Entrepreneurship Initiative started about a decade ago. Although the entrepreneurship program is nested inside business and economics, our colleagues in the engineering department, in the natural sciences, even in the arts and humanities who look at social entrepreneurial endeavors, all are able to join. For our students, it is a chance to pivot away from a standard recipe for what to do with your life.
It's not to take away from the traditional curriculum that students go through, but what entrepreneurial experience and education gives them is the ability to be more integrative in their thinking, is to take who they are and apply it to what they've learned, and then pick a path.
The three things we focus on are co-curricular programs that help them get exposed to a wide variety of business professionals. Secondly, giving them experiences that have consequential outcomes. And those experiences need to be ones that are challenging and often competitive. And lastly, to help them excel with workshops and seminars that target skills needed in the workplace.
We have an entrepreneurship-based case competition. It focuses on team building, coming up with different ways of solving specific problems. And the teams are not necessarily made up of just business students. And it pulls together these different subject matter domains to help create a more holistic solution.
HEI consistently provided hands-on experience outside of the classroom. You can come up with an idea all you want, but to actually have the opportunity to start pitching that to local investors or even learning from local business leaders was super valuable.
I think at Hope, there's always been a great network of people who are professionals in their industry and are very good at what they do, but they're also very willing to give their time. They'll give you genuine feedback on what you're presenting and what your ideas are. And I think that's just kind of part of the culture here.
Being part of the leadership classes that I took in college, the entrepreneurship class, and then joining HEI set me up with some tools, some resources, connections, stamina, and knowledge to take this idea that I had formed in the class to make it a real business and then carry it these last 5 years since.
My current role as a regional operations director at DaVita, while that doesn't necessarily lend itself to starting a new business every day, it taught me to be an entrepreneur. And what that means is basically introducing new ideas to bring value to my company. The spirit of innovation at HEI is just something that is consistently ingrained in me and has differentiated me in my career.